Now we will see here D ALEMBERTS principle. This is mechanical engineering, inertia forces in theory of machines. So before seeing what is D ALEMBERTS principle, we will see resultant force acting on a body. Consider a body of mass m, which is acted upon by a system of forces in many directions like this. Force F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7. All these forces are acting on the body in different directions at different with different magnitudes. The mass of the body is m. Let us assume the mass of the body is m. So here there is one force called resultant force. So this resultant force is the summation of all these forces. That is, this resultant force produces the same effect as that produced by all these forces together. Therefore, the resultant force F vector is equal to F1 vector, F2 vector, F3 vector, F4 vector, F5 vector, F6 vector, F7 vector. So F is equal to modulus of F vector equal to resultant force, right? F is equal to ma. So what is resultant force? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. F is equal to ma. Therefore, F minus ma is equal to 0, where F is the resultant force acting on the body, which is the resultant of all these forces or the summation of all these forces. F is equal to ma. F minus ma equal to 0. F plus Fi is equal to 0, right? I call this F minus ma is 0. Fi is minus ma. Fi is equal to minus ma, where minus ma is the inertia force. Fi is equal to inertia force, which is minus ma, right? Therefore, the body is under the action of resultant force, and because of this resultant force there is inertia force which is acting on the body, right? This inertia force is equal in magnitude to that of the resultant force but opposite in direction, right? Therefore, inertia force is Fi. Fi is minus ma, equal to the magnitude of the resultant force but opposite to the direction of the resultant force. The body is under equilibrium together with the resultant force and inertia force, right? Therefore, this is D ALEMBERTS principle. That is, D ALEMBERTS principle states that the resultant force acting on a body together with the reverse effective force or inertia force are in equilibrium. That is, the body is under equilibrium with the resultant force and the reverse effective force or inertia force. Right? This is called D ALEMBERTS principle. The body is under equilibrium, right, with the resultant force and inertia force. This is called D Alembert's principle.